Hey guys, this is Zaman and welcome back to another new video of PowerPoint School. I hope all of you are safe and sound during this pandemic situation. After such a long break, I'm making videos again. But this is not a tutorial video. Actually, I need to share some updates and plans for the future contents of PowerPoint School and a new startup that I have started, which is the Slideflix.com. This is the project where I have been working from last 1 year, and I have taken an office space for Slideflix. So this is our office. From last 1 year, here I am working with my team. We always experiment with new ideas and try to create something that will definitely help you to take your presentation slide to the next level. I took exactly 1 year to share the details of our new company, just because I wanted to create something first before I share. Also, for you guys, there is one more surprise. Recently, I have shifted to a new apartment and built a new studio for PowerPoint School. From now on, I'll make videos from this studio and our videos are going to be very interesting. I believe for both PowerPoint School and Slideflix, I'll get your support as always. Please don't think that anything will change here in PowerPoint School. PowerPoint School will always be a free knowledge and template sharing platform, and Slideflix will play a supportive role in this journey. Actually, it will help us to experiment and research more about PowerPoint. You guys know that I always try to do something in PowerPoint that no one ever thinks of doing in PowerPoint. So that's all I wanted to share in this video. You can say hi to my cat. He is Mr. Bill. All this time he was sitting on my lap and trying to get our attention, so just say hi to him. I will see you guys in the next video with a PowerPoint tutorial, and thanks for watching.